Alright, Barry. We're gonna try something. We're gonna. It's all good, babe. Unraw, uncut. Got kids, wife, family. Yep, we're gonna try something new. You got bacon. Got eggs. You get some milk. I think we're gonna throw some Parmesan. And hold on, I gotta get it. We're gonna do some House Autry spicy chicken. I don't know exactly where I got it, but we're gonna use it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back. I got the bacon, cut it in half. I got the seasoning, and I got an egg wash. Or egg dip, whatever the hell you want to call it. This has been an interesting night. My wife's been kicking the shit out of herself. Alright, let's batter it up and see how it goes. Alright guys, we're going to do the dry, the egg, and back to dry. Try to get it real coated. I'm going to do a double. I cut the bacon in half so it'll be easier. I'm thinking I may have should have done it a little smaller than that. Alright. Battered up. Alright. Good? Alright. Alright guys, I just got my ass kicked because I opened up the rice. I got the bacon all battered up. Twice. And we're going to put it in the deep fryer. Well, is it all the way up?
It's heated.
It ain't doing shit. Alright guys, we'll be back with you. Thank you. Alright guys, well, we realized the deep fryer wasn't all the way up, so it wouldn't get hot enough. But, look at that beautiful clogged arteries goodness cooking. God love it. Alright, we're going to continue cooking all of it, and we'll be back with you. Alright guys, you look at that. Oh, that smells fucking amazing. Deep fried bacon. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, I just got done with all of the bacon. And this is what it looks like. You can see it. It's, the outside is crispy. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to give it a shot. Alright. It's kind of scary because it's raw bacon, but you cook chicken and pork chops, like pork chop nuggets and stuff. It's all good. I don't know if I'm a fan of this, Next time, next time I think I'm gonna cook it on the Blackstone. Put on my presses, completely cook it so it's cooking its own grease. Then batter it up and deep fry it. I think it'd be a lot better. It almost tastes like it's got a raw flavor to it, but it's not raw. I mean, if you peel it off, I mean, it's cooked. I mean, it's in a 400-degree deep fryer for like 10 minutes. So, I would say cook it in a skillet or on the Blackstone, then deep fry it. But it's everybody's opinion. Mine, I'm gonna cook it next time before we deep fry it. Alright guys, that's it. Deep fried bacon. Go watch the video. Somebody else did it. I don't recommend it. Thank you guys for watching.